Today I'm going to show you how to use voice typing on iPhone. So simply open my note and open my keyboard. So look here, not showing it to microphone option and provide solution. So open your settings. In the main settings page, scroll down, press on general, scroll down, then you get keyboard option. Open this, scroll down, and you just make sure to turn on this. Okay, now turn on and I'm check, open my keyboard. So look here, showing it to microphone option. Just tap on and say anything. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? And that's it.